Welcome back. Today we're unleashing the power of technology and innovation with our roundup of the top 5 best cordless vacuums of 2024. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to a new era of effortless cleaning. Find your perfect cleaning companion by checking the links in the description below. Subscribe for more cleaning innovations and stay ahead in the world of spotless cleanliness. Let's dive into a world of cleaning prowess and cutting-edge technology. Starting our list at number 5, we have the Eufy HomeVac H30 Infinity. Embrace efficient cleaning with its impressive suction power and sleek design. Perfect for those seeking a balance of performance and affordability. The Eufy HomeVac H30 Infinity, your powerhouse for cordless cleaning perfection. With an impressive 80 AW/16 kPa strong suction power, this lightweight handheld vacuum makes conquering hard-to-reach areas a breeze. From air vents to high shelves and light fixtures, experience effortless cleaning efficiency. What sets the H30 Infinity apart? It's the ultimate 2-in-1 cleaning solution. Equipped with a unique mop module and floor attachment, it's tailor-made for hard floors. Easily switch between vacuuming and mopping, ensuring a thorough clean without any hassle or worry about vacuuming liquids. Effortless charging and storage await with the convenient charging dock. Keep your cordless vacuum charged and ready for action while neatly storing all your attachments in one place, ensuring the H30 Infinity is always within reach when you need it most. Versatility is key, and the H30 Infinity doesn't disappoint. Take your pick from an array of tools including the mini motorized pet brush, hard floor attachment, and 2-in-1 crevice tool. Tackle various messes around your home with ease. Just a heads up, though, the mini motorized tool shouldn't be attached to extension tubes and isn't suitable for wet surfaces. Maintenance is a breeze too. Keep your vacuum in prime condition by cleaning filters weekly, twice if they're dirty, and replacing them every 6 months or after 50 rounds of cleaning. This ensures the optimal performance of your Eufy HomeVac H30 Infinity, ensuring it's always ready for action whenever you are. Get ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine with the Eufy HomeVac H30 Infinity. Experience power, versatility, and convenience, all in one compact, lightweight package. This vacuum's versatility has made cleaning a breeze. Next up, at number 4, the Tineco Pure 1S11 Vacuum. Elevate your cleaning game with its intelligent features and powerful performance. It's a game-changer for those who crave smart cleaning solutions. The Tineco Pure 1S11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, the smart stick handheld vacuum designed for exceptional cleaning performance and convenience. With its innovative features, this vacuum ensures a deep clean on various surfaces like hard floors, carpets, cars, and more. Equipped with iLoop smart sensor technology, the Pure 1S11 detects hidden dust and debris, automatically adjusting suction power in real time. This feature extends the runtime by up to 2x, providing complete cleaning confidence without compromising efficiency. Experience powerful suction with the ultra-quiet digital motor delivering 130 W of strong suction. Clean with minimal disturbance to your family and pets, ensuring a peaceful environment. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, the Pure 1S11 allows uninterrupted whole-house cleaning. Plus, its cordless and lightweight design makes it easy to convert into a handheld vacuum, complete with versatile attachments for cleaning stairs, furniture, vehicles, and beyond. Stay informed with the onboard color LED display and the connected Tineco app. Monitor cleaning progress, battery levels, and suction performance for an intelligent cleaning experience tailored to your needs. The Tineco Pure 1S11 offers a blend of smart technology and powerful performance, providing an efficient and convenient cleaning solution for your home. The smart sensor technology in this vacuum is a total game-changer. At number 3, we have the Shark Vertex Cordless Stick Vacuum. Dive into unmatched suction power and versatility. This vacuum redefines cleaning efficiency with its advanced technology. The Shark IZ462H Vertex Ultra Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum, an exceptional cleaning powerhouse packed with innovative features for a thorough and effortless cleaning experience across various surfaces. Featuring hypervelocity accelerated suction technology, this ultra-lightweight vacuum delivers remarkable cleaning performance. It's tailored for both hard floors and carpets, ensuring pristine results with every pass. Enjoy extended cleaning sessions with the removable battery, providing up to 60 minutes of runtime on standard mode. Tackle dirt and debris with ease without worrying about constantly recharging. The Duo Clean Power Fins technology ensures continuous contact with all surfaces, deeply cleaning carpets while engaging hard floors directly, effectively picking up more dirt compared to the original Duo Clean system. Say goodbye to hair wrap issues. The self-cleaning brush roll effortlessly tackles pet hair without entangling, ensuring powerful pickup without any hassle. Experience flexibility like never before with the Multiflex technology. Bend the wand to clean under furniture or fold it for compact, freestanding storage, offering convenience and versatility in one sleek design. Prioritize clean air in your home with the HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal, capturing and trapping dust, allergens, dander, and more, effectively keeping them out of the air you breathe. Transform your cleaning routine with the removable hand vacuum feature, perfect for lightweight above-floor cleaning tasks, ensuring no nook or cranny goes uncleaned. The Shark IZ462H Vertex Cordless Stick Vacuum is your go-to cleaning companion, combining powerful suction, versatility, and convenience for a spotless home every time. This vacuum's suction power has completely exceeded my expectations. Taking the spotlight at number 2 is the Samsung Bespoke Jet. Embrace customizable cleaning like never before. This vacuum combines style, performance, and customization for a truly tailored cleaning experience. The Samsung Bespoke Jet Cordless Stick Vacuum, a striking fusion of innovation and design that elevates your cleaning experience. Designed to impress, this vacuum combines innovative features with premium finishes and captivating colors, making it a stunning addition to your home. Experience unparalleled cleaning performance powered by Samsung's TurboHex motor technology, delivering a mighty suction power of up to 210 AW. Effortlessly tackle tough dirt on any surface while enjoying maximum maneuverability in a lightweight build. Say goodbye to getting your hands dirty with the all-in-one clean station. At the push of a button, it empties the dust bin, retaining 99.99% of dust and debris for a beyond-the-floor clean, ensuring you breathe cleaner air. The 5-layer HEPA filtration system traps up to 99.999% of micro dust particles ***, meeting HEPA standards *****. Enjoy cleaner air in your home while experiencing thorough cleaning on various surfaces, from carpet to hard floors to tile. With the Jet Dual Brush, no need to switch brush rolls mid-clean. Keep your accessories organized and at hand with the charging accessory cradle, ensuring everything is readily available for your cleaning needs. Plus, the cradle charges the extra battery, ensuring it's always ready when you are. Stay informed with the digital display, providing quick and easy access to essential information like power level, remaining battery time, and various alerts for seamless operation. With the Bespoke extended warranty, enjoy an additional year of manufacturer's warranty, ensuring you're covered for 2 years *****, offering confidence and peace of mind with your Samsung Bespoke appliance. Experience cleaning at its finest with the Samsung Bespoke Jet Cordless Stick Vacuum, a blend of power, efficiency, and sophisticated design that redefines your cleaning routine. It's not just a vacuum, it's a stylish cleaning companion tailored to your needs. Claiming the number 1 spot is the Dyson V15 Detect. Dive into the pinnacle of cleaning innovation. This vacuum offers groundbreaking technology and intelligent cleaning that sets a new standard in the industry. The Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerhouse of intelligence and innovation designed to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Engineered to offer unmatched deep cleaning across your entire home, this vacuum is equipped with advanced features that redefine cleanliness. Experience the most powerful intelligent cordless vacuum, enhanced by laser illumination that reveals microscopic dust particles, ensuring a thorough clean across hard floors, leaving no trace of hidden debris. Designed for homes with pets, the Dyson V15 Detect is your go-to solution for whole-home deep cleans. Benefit from up to 60 minutes of runtime Superscript 3, powered by a dynamic trigger that maximizes battery life, utilizing power only when required. Please note that actual runtime may vary based on power mode and attachments used. Thanks to its precisely angled laser, previously invisible dust on hard floors becomes visible, leaving no room for missed spots. Intelligently adapting to varying debris levels and floor types, the vacuum optimizes suction and runtime with a piezo sensor and Dyson DLS technology, ensuring the right balance of power when needed. Superscript 2. The LCD screen provides scientific proof of a deep clean by categorizing and displaying the picked-up particles in real time while cleaning in auto mode, showing runtime countdown and power mode for a comprehensive cleaning experience. Superscript 2. Equipped with 2 advanced cleaner heads, the Laser Slim Fluffy reveals hidden dust on hard floors, while the digital motor bar deep cleans carpets and hard floors with its detangling technology, ensuring an all-around pristine finish. Experience a new level of cleaning intelligence with the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, an amalgamation of cutting-edge technology and unmatched cleaning power, redefining cleanliness in your home. There you have it, the top 5 best cordless vacuums of 2024, each delivering a cleaning experience like no other. Find your perfect cleaning companion by checking the links in the description below. Subscribe for more cleaning innovations and stay ahead in the world of spotless cleanliness. Dive deeper into cleaning perfection. Subscribe for more cleaning tips and innovations. Until next time, happy cleaning!